Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to show off this beautiful 2026 LC250 with a mild build and a ton of tasteful accessories. Let's get started. Okay, so we're starting with the 6167. This is a premium Land Cruiser. This has the premium package as well. So this is the PQ package if you're building this as a model directly out of allocation. The PQ package is going to get you the 14-speaker JBL audio system with a subwoofer. It's going to get you the illuminated entry and illuminated running boards, digital key compatibility, power moonroof, digital rearview mirror, leather memory seats, power seats, head-up display, and of course lane change assist, cross traffic monitor, and traffic jam assist. In addition, we also have the stabilizer disconnect mechanism, the lift gate light, and the 20-inch wheels, all as factory installed options. Okay, so we also have some additional port installed options. So when this car got to Portland, Oregon, they went ahead and added body side moldings. We added carpeted and rubber floor mats, as well as the door edge guards and a vertical cargo net inside the vehicle, and a black iForce Mac emblem overlay. Okay, so we changed the stance of the vehicle by adding a Westcott Designs billet aluminum preload collar lift kit. This is 2.75 inches in the front, 0.75 inches in the rear. And then this is going to allow for fitment of this large oversized tire. We're currently using a Toyota Open Country AT3. This is a 285/75/18, so almost 35-inch tire. And it's sitting on a Toyota genuine BBS forged Tundra TRD Pro wheel. Part number on this wheel is PT960-34190-02. We'll link this to parts.edmartintoyota.com if you're interested in buying this wheel. This is a forged wheel, so it is a little bit more on the expensive side. Also, you'll want to have the additional valve stem inserts and then the center cap. Typically, these wheels don't come with a center cap. There's a various set of center caps that are available that will fit in this, but we thought it would be fitting to go with the Toyota logo Heritage center cap. The center cap is only available on a 2024 1794 limited edition Tundra, and it's a super nice center cap for a situation like this because we don't want to have TRD markings on this vehicle because it's not a TRD product, it's all Japanese. And then also the silver Toyota lettering matches the grayscape on the roof. So we'll link again to this center cap and this wheel and the valve stems on parts.edmartintoyota.com in the comment section of this video. Okay, so in the front we have a couple accessories added. We have the Toyota OE Land Cruiser skid plate with the word Toyota embossed in it. We also have the transmission skid plate, and we also have the billet aluminum ZR Tactical Zero Overland red front recovery hooks. Okay, in the back of the car, we have the blackout emblem overlay for the iForce Max logo to match the Land Cruiser logo. And we replaced the exhaust with the Toyota genuine TRD performance exhaust for the LC250. So I'm gonna pull my mic off real quick and let you hear it. And that's a wrap on our 2026 light LC250 build in Heritage Blue with Grayscape. If you guys like the video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Land Cruiser content. And if you're interested in any of the parts that we have on this truck, everything will be located in the video section notes. And if you have any questions, ask in the comments.